Good morning, Sumis. Wow, slept into almost 11. I was up till 4 a.m. trying to hope that the support at Envato was going to get our site fixed. Their theme Zella was failing, so I took an Arizona energy shot. It helped a little bit. Caught up on the Arrowverse while I was waiting. Had installed some plugin updates and other things. Kept things going. Kian was snoozing away and was having a good sleep. And then I eventually went to bed. And so we got up this morning, still no changes with it. They did install a couple updates which helped get things in shape, but didn't fix the problem at hand with the theme. So did some vlogging, did some client work, and troubleshooting still. So this afternoon we are now headed off to Semiahmoo Resort Beach, and just going to take a beach afternoon because tomorrow and Friday are supposed to be rain days. Yeah, this week's just dredging on. But yeah, anything you have to add, Kian?
Huh?
Anything you want to say? No? Okay. Alright.
Grab your Paulson.
Oh, you found him.
Huh?
Where's his helmet?
I don't know.
I'm the merman, but I'm missing the frogman. I'm missing my mask. What is that doing here? That's gonna get ruined from the sand. Castle?
Yes, and I'm trying to attempt it.
What do you need help?
I need help. It's the water's getting in.
Well, that's the idea, to make the water go away from the castle.
But
Or around it.
yes. Oh no.
Evening recap. I got back from Semiahmoo Beach, and then Kian went to his friend's house, Colton's, to play Nerf guns, and I joined them. And well, Colton shot me in the eye, and it really hurts, but I can see. It's just really red. And
Good job, my eyes are not very wet.
yeah.
Cause mine's not ready to be, not to see it, because my eye's supposed to be young. See?
Yeah.
It's young. It was to not be red.
Not red.
It's young. I don't want it to not see it because it's not ready for that.
So my eyes hurts, but
But your eyes are ready for it
yeah.
because it's older. Mine's younger.
So Went to sleep worried about it. Caught up on the Arrowverse, and then Kian went to sleep after playing Fortnite. And
Can I play Fortnite right now?
you just asked to play out here, Kian.
Yeah, I have to play up here.
Okay.
You want to battle me? Let's.
So we went a little bit and got Auto Folk, and they got it fixed, but they installed and the Zelda logo replaced ours. All the formatting was screwed up, so I had to fix all that. Had to change the breadcrumb, get it a couple hours. But it looks like everything's working. We had an order go through. The day it's good. So at least that was working. Had to still the FedEx. Still having problems with that. Did a couple test orders myself, Rachel, and called it a night. Good night, Sumis.